Since 2000, Kazakhstan has been the theatre of one of the biggest, most complex and exciting challenges ever undertaken anywhere in the world, the 2.Kashaghan project. The 2.Kashaghan field is one of the most important reservoirs discovered in the last 40 years. The location is in the northern part of the Caspian Sea, about 80 kilometers south of the city of Atyrau. It extends over a surface area of approximately 75 by 45 kilometers, with a water depth of 3 to 6 meters, and the reservoir lies some 4,200 meters below these shallow waters. Safeguarding the territory is a priority of our way of operating, fully oriented to the concept of sustainability, which includes protection of the environment, its people, and contributing to the social and economic development of the country.
I believe that this project for E&I represents a unique opportunity to implement on a large scale in an international context, leading a group of major oil companies, all its competencies and technologies developed along its history.
This is an unprecedented project on a technical scale and also on an environmental and ecological scale.
The combination of many challenges in terms of safety, engineering, logistics and environment made the 2.Kashaghan project one of the most complex projects in the world.
We had to develop here a specific fleet because the conventional one couldn't fit this shallow water and the fact that we have in this sea highs for about 5 months in a year. And last, the equipment and technique for drilling to drill this challenging reservoir.
Therefore, the best solution was to build an island, and were required over than 10 million limestone, and the facilities were installed in this artificial island due to the impossibility to install platform. Another main challenge of the project was to design the facilities with this severe weather condition. We have 40 degrees during the summer and we have minus 40 degrees during the winter, with 4 months of icebound.
We've implemented the hugest environmental and ecological baseline service and monitoring service, probably in the world. The nature changes here all the time, and we've seen it over the past 15 years of development. Once you understand the risk and the context you're working in, you need to apply good business sense to how to build the project, address the risks, and at the same time protect the environment, health and safety of workers. And through that, we've developed the internal culture addressing that. And therefore, we are effective.
We've developed along the past 10 years infrastructure like harbors, logistic-based training center that will allow Kazakhstan to sustainably develop in the future large-scale offshore projects.
Kazakh government at this moment of time pays a big attention to the development of the local companies, and they use our project as the driver to develop local content in all the projects, not only in the oil industry. We arranged a big program of training for the local companies We assisted, supported local companies to obtain international certificates based on ISO standards, API standards. We have our big social projects program. It is mainly construction of the hospitals, schools, kindergartens, and other social facilities to improve the conditions of the local population and the community.
I would like to mention some very special experience I had in Kazakhstan that was unique in my professional life, and it refers to what we called at the time special projects dedicated to young graduates to be recruited in Kazakhstan, in the whole country, from universities and colleges.
These people now work in IGPKCO, they have the background, they have the best knowledge, they can support their families, their friends, their children and their parents. And they will stay in this country, and this is the lasting and sustainable impact that this project had on a personal level.
This building we see here behind me is an important part of the special projects I mentioned before, and its contribution to the training of our staff, especially the young graduates, was very important. We have several classrooms inside and different workshops, including mechanical, electronical and electrical workshops. And currently, of course, it is still utilized for the training of our staff, and it will be for sure utilized in the future.
I think the culture of this company can be described in 3 statements. It's understanding, good sense, and effectiveness. That shows that the culture we've developed within the company is so strong it permeates all the levels of organization. People are not afraid of taking charge, taking responsibility for noticing things, taking care of things, and addressing things.
And for me personally, it was the chance to drive an extraordinary group of professionals in the execution of the most complex oil and gas project in terms of technical, logistic, and managerial challenges.
And it's been a privilege to be part of this project that will bring profound effect and sustainability to generations to come in the Republic of Kazakhstan.